This is the Switchblade, a small man-portable missile drone made by AeroVironment. It comes in two sizes, the Switchblade 300 for anti-personnel and non-armored targets, and the Switchblade 600, which is for more protected targets. The 300 version is only 60 cm long and weighing in at 2.5 kg. It can be carried and shot away with a small launcher tube, whereas the operator steers it to the target. It has a range of 10 km, traveling at 150 meters in height at 100 km per hour. The drone works best with aerial scouting, whereas another drone localizes the target, where afterwards the Switchblade gets launched out and aims in at the target. The 600 version is bigger in every way, weighing in at 41 kg with a launcher. The missile weighs 15 kg. The length is 3 times longer at 180 cm, but can still be launched from ground control. The drone comes with increased range at 40 km and an increased endurance of 40-minute flight time. The drone is armed with anti-armor warhead and with the capability to attack the weaker top section of armored vehicle. With this, it possesses a real threat for its adversary. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.